Hi guys! Good evening kasi 5:30 PM na dito. Gakagising ko lang guys from my nap and nakatulog ako ng maayos. Sabi ko kay Habi gisingin ako pag 4:30 na. Pero nung petsa na 5:30 na. Kaya ito kagigising ko lang at magluluto ako ng hapunan. At nag-request ngayon si Habi na gusto niya ng chicken adobo. Kaya go naman ako kasi paborito ko naman yon. At yeah, magluluto ako ng chicken adobo. And that's our meal for tonight. Smells so good. No. my chicken adobo.
Can you make it not so salty?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yum yum.
Yum, yum.
Has joined the board of a cannabis company and says he supports improving regulations on pot as a way to help veterans with PTSD and also fight the opioid crisis. More and more American universities are going to dogs and cats too. A growing number of colleges are changing their rules and offering students norms that allow pets. The schools say a rising number of students are asking to bring pets, and they are letting them be.
Less than an inch if that does accumulate there at all. Also across the northern valleys, you can see there's 9 o'clock in the morning, still some snow falling in those areas before eventually pushing out as we head into the afternoon. And gusts up to 35 miles per hour, the wind going to be...
Ayan guys, luto na ang ating chicken adobo. Ayan. Kanin. Ayan guys, luto na ang ating chicken adobo. Yan po yung aking chicken adobo. And our salad. And syempre, kanin. Yan lang po yan guys. Kakain na po kami. Kain na po kami guys. Kaya ayaw po ni Habi na mag-take ako ng video habang nakain. Kaya yeah, thank you guys for watching. And we'll see you again on my next one.